Hello everybody, my name is Jan Papanaga and today I will talk about the human-computer interaction. The human-computer interaction is the study and design of interface with the interaction between people and computers and other digital systems. Its main focus is to make technology intuitive and effective, to allow various users to maximize usability, user experience, and accessibility. The human-computer interaction attracts significant attention to the contemporary computing because it is considered as the means of crafting the design of smartphones, applications, and AI-based systems to develop user-centered and seamless digital experiences. The virtual reality lenses have two-lens approach that enables live appearance on a three-dimensional internal perspective of the telegraphic picture world 3D. Head tracking and motion sensors will give the player the ability to move their head around the virtual space, and the sensors capture these movements in real time. The system provides the real-time visual fidelity of the high-resolution digital scenes in accordance with the user movement, which provides uninterrupted visual immersion into the simulated virtual realm. Virtual reality involves the utilization of the stereoscopic display and dual-lens technology in order to create a semblance of depth that helps in imitating real-life vision. The GPUs like NVIDIA RTX can be used to provide ultra-realistic images with ray tracing. The use of technologies like eye tracking, AI-driven scene adaptation, and haptic feedback system serve to increase the interactivity level. Fresnel and pancake lenses are the optical innovation that provides micro-LED display of the lightweight structure with the high-resolution images. High tracking and forfeited rendering are the most effective because processing power is allocated to the areas where the user pay attention through the help of AI algorithms that allow flexible and predictive motion tracking and individual interaction. The ergonomics, gesture-based, and biometry interface provides comfort and responsiveness to the user. The VR technology incorporates several important elements to produce believable experiences. Fresnel and convex optical lenses are used to focus and manipulate images so as to create immersion of terms of the three-dimensional world. Gyroscope and accelerators motion sensors help in the precise tracking of the head and the body motion. Higher display resolution and higher refresh rates minimize the motion blur and improve clarity. Sophisticated software applications as Unity and Unreal Engines create realistic 3D worlds, coordinating and aligning graphics and action to create cohesive, interactive online worlds. VR improves safety and retention of skills in training simulations in healthcare, military, and aviation laboratory medicine. VR trainees achieve accuracy of medical procedure by 32% better in training simulations, which improves patient safety and skill retention. The VR innovation is propelled by the gaming industry, which is a profitable business amount to 50 billion. Whereas therapeutic use serves rehabilitation and mental health care with the help of immersive exercise. VR therapy is also effective in treating phobia and anxiety disorders in a therapeutic context. Such experiences lead to a greater involvement of the emotions, which makes the VR an effective cognitive and psychological developmental tool. The physical advantages of the VR include significant improvement in movement, balance, and coordination performed during an interactive game like the VR Sports Simulation or the VR Fitness. Stroke recovery and motor skill therapy, they are extensively applied in rehabilitation with the help of immersive exercise. Although the VR has advantages, it has several challenges and ethical issues. The estimated rates of motion sickness or eye strains in the case of prolonged use of the VR are between 25 and 40% on the users. There is also a privacy threat of tracking the movement of users and biometric response on a massive scale. The cost of high equipment restricts its access, and concerns arise in the area of simulated training and behavioral manipulation that make the ethical consideration a key focus on the VR developmental creation. Prolonged exposure also could also cause a mental fatigue and also a loss of consciousness of space. Virtual reality has several disadvantages and dangers to it in spite of its benefits. The next phase of the R is to combine AI and brain-computer interface to make things more intuitive to interact with and more adaptive. AR will be made available to more people with the development of light and affordable glasses. It finds wider use in the fields of education, telemedicine, and remote collaboration. Moreover, innovations in eye tracking systems, haptics, and wireless connectivity are changing the immersion of the interactivity. The VR lenses have transformed the human-computer interaction portion system by providing interactive and lifelike digital experiences. They provide great physiological and physical advantages to increase learning, therapy, and engagement. Nevertheless, regardless of the existing obstacles, the integration of AI and continuous innovation provides a perspective in which virtual reality is more affordable, more intelligent, and fundamental part of the human communication. Thank you so much.